Chinese naval ships came within 12 nautical miles of American soil. This happened a few days ago, but I think this is just one of many instances where we as a nation are being tested by other nations, other countries, to see exactly what we're going to allow and what our response is going to be. According to this, there were a total of 5 ships that came close to the Alaska coastline. They were still within the legal area, so they didn't really break any laws, but they came very close to our sovereign water, our sovereign soil. Just kind of makes you wonder exactly what they were doing with all these different ships. And I think that it also is interesting that it coincided with President Obama's trip to Alaska. Okay, and that's not the only one. I will also provide links to both of these sites. You can go and see them yourself. But in Florida, there was a Russian ship off of the coast of Florida, which I think is rather interesting when it coincides with the ship from China. There may be nothing to this, but I really don't believe in coincidence, so we'll just have to wait and see. I'll leave links to both these articles. You can read them yourself. I do believe that this is somehow a test for us as a nation to see what our responses are exactly. What are we going to allow? What is Obama going to do? What is Congress going to do? What are we as citizens going to react? Are we just going to ignore it? Are we going to pay attention? Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and God bless.